Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm not saying it's not evening yet, it's still too bright. Whoa, I need my sunglasses on, Jesus. So we are going to Animal Kingdom for our last night because we've got a Flight of Passage fast pass. We thought the East bus terminal was the closest one to where we were when we first looked at the map, and then we realised the North one looks like it might be closer, but we actually haven't been before, so we're just sort of, the bus will be there in a minute and we're sort of just wandering around trying to find the bus.
Having a leisurely stroll for our resort.
Yeah, but it's so pretty, like, you know, it's a nice place to walk around and get lost, isn't it? So we'll see, hopefully we'll get there and we'll manage to catch the bus in time. I think we'll walk through this car park and then we'll be there.
Ooh. I was right, it was just round the car park, so actually really close. We thought we were quite far away from one, but we were really close. It's just a shame it's just today that we're using it.
Yeah, the only time we'll use it. That's not too bad.
Let's go see the times. Oh, it was 15:15, not 10:00.
Oh, well that's good, at least, you know.
3:15, so we've got 6 minutes. The fan's running, so there's always a nice breeze when you get underneath. And another top tip as well is do not underestimate the power of shade. It's amazing when it's really hot how much shade can help. Yeah. Last time walking into Animal Kingdom.
And it's only the second time in 10 days that we've actually come. The last time we were for an hour and then we left. A bit more than an hour, but...
It was a short, fleeting visit. It always seems to be the one that we plan least of, and it's your favourite.
I know, I don't know why I do that. I think just because it's in my head that it's so hot and unbearable that I just don't want to, you know, spend time that, you know, around. But actually, it's so nice to like hang out here. I don't know why I do it.
They got greens for green absolutely. I wish everyone had that.
There's a giant moo bird.
It looks like Kevin might be going home now.
Oh, but he's stopping.
Is he?
Yeah, I think he's going home for some Kevin flakes.
To his babies, probably.
Oh, he's eating the children.
Yes. Pretty sure he was gonna stab him.
Oh, little wings!
Okay, problem is, we need to get to Nemo because we've got 15 minutes, but our fast pass ends.
But there is a giant bird.
I know, but we can't follow him everywhere.
Alright, everybody dance! Move it, groove it! Yes! Work it out, work it, work it, work it! Alright, you're gonna choose in 3, 2, 1, choose! I have got ears! If you want ears, take a giant step forward! That's what I'm talking about. Alright, everybody move it, groove it! Find your moves, that's what I'm talking about. Alright,
Miko and Brother Bear. Here's Nemo. We're about to use the first of our last. Oh no, we've got tomorrow's fast passes too. What am I saying? Fast pass entrance. Oh, well you should be. Don't throw things in the sea.
So we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in. And then we go out, and then back in.
So many creatures swimming around the sea. In the big blue world. And all of them.
So what have we got today, mate?
Root canal.
Has he loosened the periodontal ligament?
Shoo, shoo! He's not your fish. He's going to my darling.
And lost that if you just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Not my dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff.
Some knowledge.
And come on when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun. Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. Love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go. Have an adventure.
The dino carnival is in full swing. Oh look, Goofy.
Oh yeah, you just shot at the
But we didn't expect any of them to be open, but you've met Goofy, Daisy and Donald all in their dinosaur outfits.
I know, and Goofy was really unexpected. I didn't even know there was a Goofy here. But yeah, that was really good.
We're gonna wait and see what dinosaurs, and hopefully it doesn't break down. 30.
Yeah.
Do you wanna wait?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Right here, look! Hey, look! Yeah, we want to be the first.
On to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
Hey, so we just met Mickey and Minnie, that's why I've got my ears on. My classic Animal Kingdom ears. This is the first ears I ever bought.
They were, and they were from
And our
here.
first trip, yeah, from Animal Kingdom, because it's my favourite. Yeah, we just met Mickey and Minnie, they were super cute, and it's nice because last time we met them here, they were in like Christmas outfits, so that's a whole new costume that we've met them in. We have a fast pass for, what are we going on?
Everest.
Everest. So we're heading over there now, and then we're going to go to Pandora and get some food.
Is this Marley?
Did you have to get off the mount?
Is the fast pass entrance longer than the actual queue? Probably.
James, are you going?
Yeah, Shane, it right.
You need to keep a lookout for where our hotel was. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's there. I saw it. Where's the truck? Stop. I didn't think he was going to stop then.
Everest was awesome. We are just on our way to Pandora because we have a flight of passage. Fast pass! It's better in the light, you can actually see me. We've just stopped to get some water because it's so hot. There is a nice breeze though, which makes a massive difference because you don't usually get a breeze. But yeah, we are heading into Pandora now. I love this walk into Pandora over the other walk. So this is the entry through Africa, rather than bypassing Africa. And you get to go under this little bridge. And you come out and you're walking down this waterway. It is substantially longer than the entrance near the front of the park, but it's so pretty.
The floating mountains of Pandora. And the footsteps of 1 million tourists.
Just 1 million. Maybe a couple of million by now.
Okay, we haven't eaten since breakfast. It's 7:30 now. So we're going to go to Satu'li canteen and have one of the very fashionable build your own protein bowls. We hope. Okay, so here's how it works. You choose your protein, so your meat or your tofu, choose your base, rice and black beans, and then your sauce.
So we're in Satu'li canteen, we've got our food, we've just sat down. A lot of the seating areas are shared, so you know, getting a table by yourself you'll be lucky. We've not had a very good experience so far, to be honest, purely because of the cast members. A lot of them have been rude, so I'm going to show you our food now. I got the Satu'li bowl with chicken, a hearty salad and a dressing which I got on the side. I don't know why they do that. And David got the rice and black beans with beef, and he got the black bean dressing, which I think is this. The beef looks amazing, but if you don't like it pink then that's probably not a good order. And we just got soft drinks. We did try to order some cheeseburger pods, but you can only get those in a kids meal now, which is a bit rubbish because we want to try them, but we don't want a kids meal. I don't want to get, you know, grapes or carrot sticks and, you know, a little tiny drink. It's pointless. So I'll let you know what we think. Okay.
Hi. Okay, we're about to get on Flight of Passage now. Hopefully the seats haven't changed.
Yeah, and then my friend Taylor.
Number 3.
Okay, all systems ready. Stand by.
Standing by.
We came out and it's night time.
It's dark. It's nice. Pandora is cute at night, isn't it?
It's all very illuminescent.
Bioluminescent algae.
Oh.
Oh, too dark.
Ah, there we go. We have done Flight of Passage. It was good.
It's still good, but we would never queue for it good.
It is far too dark to vlog. I don't think we had a chance to say, what did you think to your protein bowl?
I mean, mine was nice, but it was just a salad. It wasn't anything spectacular. It was just like a pre-packaged salad.
There was a lot of it.
I like salad. Yeah, and it was
There was a lot of it.
You know, salad. Yeah, it's nice.
Mine was okay. I think I should have got another sauce. I think having black beans and black bean vinaigrette was a bit much.
You didn't get much sauce in all fairness.
No.
And I tried yours and I didn't really think the rice was very well cooked. But
It was a bit chewy, but I don't mind that. We've left Animal Kingdom, heading to the bus. And we should be back at our resort pretty soon because...
And I got a flower.
Oh, someone got another flower for a birthday. I think they were for Mother's Day.
I think they're just for Mother's Day, but you gave me one because it was my birthday. Well, because I'm wearing my birthday badge. It was my birthday the other week, but... Birthday trip!
So here's the bus directory. Port Orleans Riverside is number 11. Number 11. So we want to go left, and hopefully we'll be the first stop. Yeah. Oh, there's a bus there. Excellent. We'll be able to get home as soon as possible. Question is, do you think it'll stop at French Quarter or Riverside first?
French Quarter's first up, isn't it? So maybe French Quarter.
So we are back at the room now for the last time.
Yeah, so last night.
Last night. So I poured myself a lovely root beer with ice.
You're actually using the glasses.
And someone's refilled her. Double gulp.
Look how big it is. This is 3 cans of Minute Maid. So I have 3 left, so I filled it up. It's nice. Look how big.
990 millilitres a litre.
Ah! There's nothing better than a litre of Minute Maid. And also I have to finish my M&Ms because they're open, so I can't take them on the plane.
I'm going to do a bit of scrounging for some change in a minute because when I went to go get some ice there was a vending machine and there was some crisps that I want.
Oh.
So
Scrounging for change off your wife.
yeah, we might have, well, we might have to use the non-toll road so I can use all the quarters. Why do I look so red? I'm not this red.
There's some light in the room.
Maybe. Have you enjoyed your trip?
Yeah, I have. I just wish we would have stayed a little bit longer.
Yeah. Well, who knows? We might be going back later this year. Though we have nothing planned at the minute.
Don't say anything like that to me. He says things like this and then we have to make them true because he gets my hopes up.
Well, we have to come back for HGTV.
I'm sure we've got HGTV. If anybody well, we'll know by this point, but if anybody knows if we've got HGTV in the UK on Sky, you'll let us know. Oh, I love it. It's my new favourite channel. All I wanted to do on the bus was like, I want to get back to the room and watch HGTV. It's great.
We've got our drinks. We've got a very early start in the morning.
Yeah, we were like, oh, we'll get up really early, you know, so we can sleep on the plane because we'll be tired by then. If we get up at like, you know, 7, And then we realised that we've got a breakfast reservation at Magic Kingdom at 10 to 8. So we really need to be leaving here at like 7 o'clock at the latest. So yeah, it's going to be a much earlier morning than that.
So we will... Well, we're not going to go to sleep. We are going to watch TV, and I'm reading Game of Thrones because we don't have HBO here.
No, we don't. So we need to avoid spoilers all tomorrow until we get home on Tuesday morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Easier said than done.
I don't think it'll be that bad.
So we will see you tomorrow or next week. Thank you for watching. I don't know how many videos this one's going to end up being because we've done quite a lot today. I think we've done more in the last 2 days than we have the whole trip.
Yeah, but this part of the trip is always the bit like I enjoy the most. It was last time. It was last 3-4 days. We had all our best dining reservations planned, all the things we were most excited about doing. We had all our best experiences in the park. We had the most magic, and it's like today there's just been like, you know,
lots of things happening.
Pixie dust sprinkled all over us. Yeah, I think it was that fortune cookie, you know. I got a fortune cookie last night with no fortune in it, and I read online that that's supposed to be really lucky because what is the luck of getting a fortune cookie? Which's purpose is supposed to have a fortune in it, and it doesn't have one. So that's supposed to be really lucky, and then I've had such a magical day today. Yeah, it's been great.
Good. Okay, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.